So, what's going on, people? OG back on the screen. Now, there's rumors, not even rumors, it's legit information that this new TikTok shop controller can be used and have the same functions as a Zen. You can now cheat on 2K with TikTok shop controllers. What has this game come to? 2K likes.
Really no plugins.
No plugin.
You just press this button back here, bro. Watch. Press this button. Bro, this shit is broken. Do it again. Click it. Click it. Bro, this shit is broken. Really no plugins.
Now, people, I believe 100% we are in the new times. At first, I was like, I was speculating, and I was kind of like, we're not there yet. But each time I start to get my mind away from it, and we get closer and closer into a new year, I realize we are. For one, everybody, all the humans naturally just on the world, even if some people are just dumb, has gotten smarter. I would say that social media is part of it because your mind can just be more aware to quicker things. It's like if you're living in your own community with a group of people, it's kind of like y'all vibe is just going to be rare because you may just have what's in that community. Now that we have the whole world and everybody has cell phones, we all can see what, oh, this person in New York, oh, New York doing that, and everything can kind of be connected. Oh, Cali's doing this, oh, this place is doing that. And everybody can kind of be connected, like agree on some of the similar things, because we are humans. We're still going to connect and relate on certain things. It's just, it's being able to be more mass connected, because there's humans that they just won't connect. Nah, I don't like that. I don't do my stuff like that. You don't do your, let's just stay away from each other. We don't need to. It's like that. It is like that in life. Now they have these new TikTok shop controllers where you could just press a button. It's showing us as well that 2K's system technology that I told y'all we are playing on is a monkey see, monkey do technology. This is why when I tell y'all you can still contest Zens, people don't believe me. It's a window. You have to look at the game as it's a picture frame uploading files and packets. Even if a person has a device that says, when you shoot, we're going to make you automatically hit this center point 2K wants you to hit to green, because it's certain center points. Everybody, you're honestly, I'm gonna put it like this: if you are a comp player or you're very skilled and you take it in your mind as every shot you shoot is 100% perfect shot, it's like you're a person, it's like you will be a person that's a problem with the game. It's like you don't understand that 2K gives us free shots sometimes, free greens. They used to do it back in the day when they said they had RNG. I still feel like they do it now. It's just they do it in a reverse system where we think we're timing our shots the best way. But you got to look at it like high percentage. Go shoot like on a 70 overall 3-point versus you shooting on a higher one, and you will see what they do to you. Your shot speed slows down. You get a worse jump shot release where you can't hit the center point fast enough before the person gets to you with his hand and his contest. So it's like certain shots, even when you shoot with high 3 balls and stuff like that, 2K still has some type of system. I can't tell y'all exactly what it is yet because I don't know that science and stuff like that, but it's still some type of system where they still will give you a green if you're really close to the window but you damn near didn't hit it all the way. They still do that. I know for sure they still do that, right? So this is why we still have these tools being able to work as efficiently as they are right now, and you see people just getting a TikTok shop controller. We are getting smarter as people. I don't know what, like, yo, it's just happening so fast. It's happening so fast. Now let's go into these comments real quick because I really want to see what the comments are saying. Send me the TikTok. I'm just curious. You see, somebody's ready to want to instantly buy it. Oh, here it is. Here it is. I knew they was gonna show it. Here it is. And guess what, people? You don't think the Zen makers, you don't think the Zen makers, you don't think the geeks, the nerds that know this technology, that probably, because I always say this, we don't know how to make this type of technology. We don't know how to make controllers, but there are people in the world who do. And it could just be at that beginner point. This is like some beginner technology controller. We know this ain't no super high. $45. With anti-drift collaboration guide Christmas wireless gaming controller Pro for PS5 with LED RGB, compatible with PlayStation 5 vibration motion sensing buttons, 1000 AM fast charging battery. It don't even say nothing about mod or nothing. It says programmable buttons. I don't see nothing about a mod, man. Somebody said this is only 45. Hold on. Come on, bro. Yo, do y'all not see what we in right now? Yo, we can't even have a good, like, bro, we're not in the old times we used to be in where we had morals and people used to enjoy watching somebody be skillful now. Like, it's weird. It's a weird type of setup now. You got, look. What is he showing? Okay, I thought he was showing somewhere. Hope you join the ban list too. Cheating in 2K, down bad, horrendous. Oh, they showed this thing. Look, niggas don't care, bro. When you have a whole community, this is why I say when the devs started not caring about the community, damn, maybe y'all was right. When they stopped caring about the community, everybody turned into demons. Everybody went downhill, not caring about morals of the game anymore. Think about it. They not YouTubers. If you're not a YouTuber, why do you care not to not cheat? I look at it that way. Like, why not? It's many ways people cheat. People cheat to win people events. People just don't cheat for free. People cheat for people to win them events, rep their accounts up, etc. So y'all have to understand that. It's not just some type of simple, oh, this is just some regular. The real joke is he just finessed niggas into buying bullshit because nobody is not only is that a regular controller, he's literally timing his shot on a different controller to fool mother effers. If it don't register as tempo, so you'll never know. Okay. Let's see this one. He's actually not. You can actually time the rhythm shot right and map it to the back button. You can. Oh, hello, his name. Any chance I get you, I'll let you know the cheats you want. This is the controller. Man, this shit about to get bought up. And I know this too because people usually do that, but he has no link. He's just showing the video. You know, usually people will have that little TikTok link and you go buy it and then I guess they get money off of selling it. So I know people do be doing them clickbait stuff on TikTok and stuff like that, but it's everywhere, bro. The Zens are everywhere, trust me. There's so many ways to where people are able to hit their little Zen shots in this game, different controls, all types of shit. This might work if you're a corner sitter. I thought thank you posted when the stage all the time. Smartest dude. See, people don't understand. Cheating is an epidemic, is literal plague. It's not. Companies need to make better anti-cheat kind of thing. Cheaters will always find a way. Anything. There's generally nothing we can do. No. Now, here is where we ended at. We're gonna read his comment, and here is where we're gonna summarize this up and end this off on. This guy, right, says that we can't do anything. I'm telling y'all right now, the technology is there. You understand? I feel like this world, we just literally
press this button
on a timer.
back here, bro.
The technology is there. We on a timer. I keep telling y'all this. Look how they're not releasing GTA 6. Because they keep wanting to add stuff to it. When we hear that, new technologies, new little firmware, new little data things, new little update systems, that's what they're doing. They're not just because they know each year we have to, when you are a real human, you have to look at it like, damn, we're going through a cycle each year. That is how it is. It's always going to be some new changes, new laws, new things, new energy that comes up each new year, right? Or that cycle, whatever they put on their calendar is, you know? So once we know that, we have to understand that, let's say it's January, the year just started. We got to know that just like when they making a new 2K and working on a new 2K for us to coming out the next year, they doing that with life shit. technology, everything. We gotta wait. Shit be already done. We just gotta wait for it to come out. Call of Duty, I've seen where they had the ricochet cheats, the anti-ricochet thing that it says on there. Players will go in and they would shoot their gun and get 0 bullet registration. Don't, for your one simple mind, think that people, they can't stop this cheating stuff. You just don't understand how many people using these devices. You ban all them people. Think about how many people. Yo, I showed y'all Discords, 30,000 members. Amazon, hella sales, 5,000 sales recently, 10,000 sales here on this site. You go to different sites, you can see all the sales. If 2K has to ban all of those people, it's gonna be some type of lawsuit. And y'all don't listen to me. Why do you think on Call of Duty, the ricochet thing, whatever it's called, they didn't ban the dude like full console on ban him. You just get no bullet registration. Me thinking, using my critical thinking mind, wait, why did they not just fully ban? Isn't this y'all shit, nigga? Ain't this y'all shit? But wait, somebody pays their money. They buy extra shit on there. There's accounts and numbers is connected to it. So there has to be some type of legal connection. I'm not a lawyer, but my mind can always ponder around the idea to where to start to find the answer. I already knew that was the answer at that point. I'm like, damn, that's why it's probably so many people damn using these damn shits, and there's some legal shit to it because it's sold in GameStop as well. If it's sold in GameStop, how the hell shouldn't I be able to sue GameStop? Like, hey, you guys sold me a Cronus Zen that it was then you guys told me it was good in your shop and stuff. You guys are selling it, and I went to use it on my game, and they banned me on my game. But you guys are selling it in here in a gaming store where you guys are supposed to sell tools to help me with my gaming. Use your minds, bro. Use your minds. I've been realized. So it's going to take 2K time for them to develop an anti-ricochet cheat, just like how Call of Duty has, to put in their game to really just slow down a Zen user or really stop them. You see how they had to slow down, speed up, but Mike Wayne don't got enough time. He has to drop a game every year, so he don't be having enough time to fix and code a super crazy anti-cheat ricochet thing. Very simple to understand, people. I just wish I had a community back behind me so I can really tag a dev, say something to get the whole community to know this is the problem. This is the true, real problem. It's some type of legal issue. They could literally ban all the players right now. They see all of them. They could ban them right now. They losing out money on their VC, etc. And then they could probably have some legal issues that they probably don't even want to deal with. Because guess what? If people take 2K to court, they got to pay for it. They got to send some little agent out there pay for it. So money out their pocket. Y'all hit that like, man. Subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. I got more coming soon. I got more to show y'all how far people going with this cheating stuff.